Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to MX Bikes 2019. Today, I'm going to be reviewing a map based in Cornwall, Devon, called Crediton. Crediton's obviously a motocross track for the MX1, MX2, small wheel 85s, big wheel 85s, etc. So yeah, we're just going to be getting a feel for the track today. Obviously, we're not going to get complete feel for the track. As I said in the last video, there's no elevation at all in MXGP that you can adjust. So yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy. This is a different camera view I've actually found in this game. I mean, as I said, I've only had this game for about 5 days. But yeah, this camera view is a bit sick. I just thought I'd add it to this video. And make sure you do stay tuned to the end of the video, because there's a few sick lines that I hit in the second and third lap, and a few quite sick jumps in there. I do finish first place by quite ahead of time. But yeah, 5 days in, and this game seems to be working pretty nice for me. As I said, I've never really played any other motocross game apart from MX Unleashed back on Xbox 360, or the original Xbox, I think it was, back in 2010, 2011. I think it came out a bit earlier than that, but that was the time I played that. But yeah, the graphics on this are insane. The bike just sounds perfect. Traction's completely beautiful. You hit the ruts perfect. If you actually do try, you can hit the ruts, and you can hit perfect runs and perfect lines in this game. Yeah, the graphics are absolutely stunning. The sound sounds absolutely perfect. Just thought I'd add that in. They should really be happy with themselves. I'm going to try and get MX Bikes 2021, and hopefully that'll be a bit better than this. But obviously this is amazing to me as it is. So to even get a bit of an improvement, that'll be great. That'll be absolutely great. I haven't checked about MX Bikes MXGP 2021 yet, but I hope there is elevation and track builder, so I can build tracks up hills and down hills, etc. And this is where things get pretty crazy. This is where I start, clearing the jumps and just actually doing good around the track and doing things I'm meant to be doing. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up again, just let you guys enjoy the video. As I said in my previous video, this video was supposed to be my version of Landrake. I've recorded that video, but I thought I'd get this one out first so I don't have two Landrakes in a row. So yeah, stay tuned for that this evening. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Cheers. I'll leave you guys for the last 30 seconds of the video.